Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today we're diving into a topic that's creating a serious buzz in the drone community. A next-gen FPV drone that could completely redefine how we experience first-person flying. While it hasn't been officially confirmed, leaks and expert chatter suggest that a powerful new model, possibly known as the Avata 3, is on the horizon. And if the rumors hold any truth, this drone might set a whole new standard for the FPV world. The first wave of consumer FPV drones back in 2022 made flying more accessible to people who didn't want to mess with building drones from scratch. Then, in 2024, we saw a follow-up that improved camera quality, extended flight time, and enhanced the goggle experience. But it still had gaps, like the lack of front obstacle sensors and a flight time that fell short of expectations, especially in manual mode. Now all eyes are on what's coming next. Speculation suggests that this new drone could drop sometime in late 2025 or early 2026. Of course, delays are possible. Government certifications and international shipping challenges are common with tech releases. But once it arrives, this FPV drone might just shake up the market. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is a 1-inch CMOS camera sensor. This would be a massive leap forward, especially for content creators and professionals. Better dynamic range, stronger low-light performance, and more cinematic footage could make flying through dim parking garages or golden hour landscapes more breathtaking than ever, with clear, stable, and professional-looking results. Transmission improvements are also expected. A longer range and lower latency could open up more freedom for pilots to explore dense, complex environments without worrying about signal drops or frame skips. And yes, battery life could finally see a major boost. While previous models promised over 20 minutes, the real-world freestyle time was often closer to 12. If the new drone can push freestyle mode past 15 minutes and standard flight up to 30 minutes, it'll be a game changer for extended sessions. One crucial upgrade everyone's hoping for? Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Earlier models had rear and downward sensors, but flying in tight spaces without front sensors was risky. This time around, we may see complete spatial awareness, making indoor flying and technical maneuvers much safer, especially for beginners who are still mastering manual controls. We're also hearing whispers of innovative new accessories, like upgraded goggles with AR overlays for better situational awareness, a smarter motion controller for more intuitive control, and modular add-ons like snap-on ND filters or built-in LED lights for creative night shoots. These features could expand the creative possibilities for both casual flyers and professional filmmakers. But perhaps the most important request from the community? Better repairability. Past models were notoriously difficult and expensive to fix. Breaking something simple like a prop guard could cost over $200. A more user-friendly design that allows for easy, affordable repairs would win major points with users who want to fly with confidence and not stress about every little crash. If DJI, or whoever's behind this next-gen drone, nails the improvements from the sensor and flight time to safety, features and modular accessories, this drone could become the ultimate hybrid. Easy enough for beginners, powerful enough for pros, and built for anyone looking to capture stunning FPV footage without the headaches of custom builds. So now the question is, what features are you hoping to see? What would make this your go-to FPV drone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into future tech, drones, and cutting-edge innovation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. There's a lot more coming your way, right? Here on Technology in the Future. Catch you in the next one.